Hey guys, so on today's episode of Cooking in Cars, we're going to go back in time a little bit and cook a college style meal. And what I mean by that is it's going to be cheap, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be okay. It's not going to be gourmet, but it's going to fill you up. And especially while you're camping and you don't have all the resources to cook a gourmet meal, this might be the ticket for you. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so what I got today is just canned corned beef hash, canned tomato sauce, and of course canned because you can store it in your car for a long time, and macaroni pasta. You could use other types of pasta also, but when we're cooking in a small stove like this, I recommend you don't use spaghetti pasta because it's long, but you use a macaroni or something small. And what we got today is we're going to cook in this new camping stove I just got. It's Hot Devil, and this uses this Hot Devil fuel. This is a isobutane propane combo, and this is a four season blend. So it doesn't really matter for me, but for some people who camp in the cold, if you use regular butane, it may not work when it's too cold. But supposedly this is a four season blend. It uses this thick canister, so this is will be your base, and it should have a pretty strong flame. Okay, so unlike the my other butane canister, this style, so unlike this style, this is not very stable. You don't really want to cook on this, but these types of butanes are made for a cooking surface. So we're going to use this camping stove right here I just got. This is a little bit bigger. This is the bigger pot. I think they have some smaller options, but this is the bigger one. I think it's 1.5 liter. Okay. Lid. Here's the base. Looks like a base, and we'll see how that works in a little bit. And here's the burner. So it's integrated within the pot itself. So it's like an all-in-one type solution. I've never used one of these before, so it's going to be the first time I'm trying out this pot. All right, let's see how this goes together. You have your base. Put on the butane like that. This guy will just screw on top. Okay. This guy will just go right on top of that. There's a locking mechanism. In and there. So nice and stable. For there, it'll be nice and stable. It won't tip over and fall off. All right, give it a shot. All right, so now that everything's set up, this will be a single pot solution, so I'm not going to boil it first and then strain the pasta or anything like that. I'm going to cook everything in here, and I'm going to use the canned stuff, nothing fancy. And I'm going to need a little bit of extra water because we are going to cook everything in here. We're not going to strain it or anything like that. But if you do need to strain it a little bit, that's okay too. You could pour a little bit out. There's like a strainer, but we'll see how that goes once we boil the pasta. All right, since we are cooking in cars, there's not going to be a measuring cup that I'm going to use or anything like that. I'm just going to eyeball a little bit of water. And I want just enough to cover the pasta, more or less. So not too much. All right, let's turn this baby on. There's a little control right here and igniter. All right. It's kind of cool. Again, I never used one of these before. I always wanted to try it. It's just a really compact design. good for backpacking, but also for cooking in cars. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that water heat up a little bit. Then I'm going to add a little bit of macaroni. Wow, look at that. It's already getting hot. I think I'm turning it too hot. Let me turn that down a little bit. That flame gets pretty hot if you're not careful. You can see it's already steaming really quickly. All right, so let's open up the cans while we're waiting for that just to get hot. This is just regular tomato sauce, nothing fancy. And believe it or not, I'm going to use corned beef hash. Of course, you could use ground beef if you want, but this is just a cheap, easy solution. All right, corned beef hash goodness. All right, looks like the water's boiling. You see the water boiling? That was actually really fast. This flame gets hot pretty quickly, so you got to be careful. And we're gonna add some macaroni. Again, I'm just gonna eyeball everything, no measuring. Let that heat up just a little bit. I'm going to stir it so it doesn't stick to the pot. All right, so now that that's hot, I'm going to add some of the tomato. Again, the pasta is still hard. It's not ready to go by any stretch of the imagination, but we're going to boil it all in the same pot. Get some of that tomato sauce. All right. And we're going to put some of that corned beef hash. This is going to be like your meat. I'm not going to use the whole can. That's just too much. Just eyeball how much you might like. Mix that up so things will stick together, mainly the pasta. All right. Now we're going to just cap it up, and we're going to let the sauce reduce. And that's it. It's all in a single pot. And you could add some seasoning if you like. A little bit of seasoned salt. And I'm going to add a little bit of onion salt in there too. That's it. We'll let this boil. We'll stir it every now and then so the pasta doesn't stick together. All right, you can see the water, well, the sauce is boiling nicely. This is doing a great job. And I'm going to leave the lid off because I want it to evaporate. I want the sauce to reduce as the pasta is cooking. All right, let's check on this. You can see it's not that wet anymore, and it's reduced really nicely. So now pasta is almost done. I'm going to let it simmer, but now I can put on the lid because I don't want it to reduce much more than that. And we'll be back in a few minutes. And unfortunately, my camera ran out of memory while I was filming and I didn't realize it. So I don't have the footage of me plating this, but it actually turned out really well, as you could kind of see from the photo, and it tastes pretty good.